Hi there! So today we are going to be unbagging my January IPSY bag, and if you don't know already, I have already unboxed my January Boxycharm, so go ahead and go check that out, please and thank you. I got some really good stuff in there, including the lip that I'm wearing right now. Very comfortable. So what I got in my bag, or actually let me first show you what the bag looks like. I'm getting ahead of myself. So it's like a canvas filling bag, and it has a gold IPSY label as well as pink tassel, a gold zipper. See if you can get that. And then the back has nothing on it. It's really nice feeling. I like it a lot actually. And then the inside is hot pink, just like the tassel. Very cute. All right, if you don't know, let me go ahead really quickly say that IPSY is $10 a month. You sometimes get full sizes. Oftentimes you get kind of like deluxe product sizes, and it includes 5 deluxe samples or a full-size sample if you are lucky. So I will go ahead and show you what I got in the bag. First off, I see here this eyeshadow from Ella Eden London. There's that. And then it is called Julia. That's super cute. It'll focus. There we go. And we'll go ahead and open it up. And it's really pretty. Feels nice. Nice and soft. Oh wow, that actually might be a really good highlighter for me. See that? That's really pretty. There it is on my finger. But I think I can pull it off as a highlighter, which would be really cool. I think I would use it a lot more that way, if anything. Next up, we have a lip gloss. This one's really pretty. It's kind of like a blue tint, and it's from the brand Fluide, and the shade is called Elsewhere. That's really cool for some reason. But, so here is the bottle, the tube. In reading the description of it online at ipsy.com, it says that because it has blue tones in it, that your teeth will look a little bit whiter. You know how like a blue toned red makes your teeth look so white? So I thought that was really interesting. On my hand, it doesn't look like crazy blue, but you do kind of pick up blue iridescence, I guess. So that's really pretty, and it doesn't feel too sticky, but it does feel tacky, like it's gonna stick around and it won't, you know, just slide off your lips. So that's really nice. I'm excited to put that on my lips. All right, and then next up, we have a little deluxe size of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. And I have actually never tried this before. And this is an old school foundation. I'm sorry, my camera's just having difficulties focusing today. What a jerk. But this is in the shade Fair Sand, which I know typically Tarte's, a lot of their lines of foundations don't suit my pale skin very well, but I think this is the lightest, if not one of the lightest colors that they have in the line. So if anything, I mean, I can just mix it in with something. But like I said, I've never tried this specific old school foundation, so I am excited to use it. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. It feels really nice, kind of moussey. The coverage seems really nice actually. Maybe a medium coverage, I would say. So there's the shade right there. So see, it's a little bit darker than my pale skin, but I think I could probably mix in something with that, so it's not a big deal. All right, so next up we have, I think I left it in the packaging. Sorry about the noise. Next up we have a brush, which I always love to get. I think I've said that before, but I do always love to get these. So obviously this is a full-size brush, and this is from BDP, Billion Dollar Brushes, and it's their foundation brush. So it's really nice. It's got some gold on it, along with the black handle and the gold print on here. And I usually hate these kinds of foundation brushes, to be quite honest, But when I opened this package up and I felt how soft these bristles were, I want to put it on my face. This feels amazing. So I think if anything, I will use it for maybe like under eye concealer to kind of just pat it out, because I don't have the patience to, you know, put on my foundation. Like my face is too big for that. So I'm going to say no to that, but I think I'll use it for concealer. If all else fails, I will use this for some face masks, because I think these are really good for that. So if you have any of these brushes that you feel like you just want to toss away, use it for your face masks. You're welcome. Last product is going to be the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and the scent is Sea Kissed, I believe. And they do sell this brand at Ulta. And it's quite pricey, so I am super stoked to be able to kind of sample it, if you will, before I make such a big purchase. Oh my gosh. That smells like the beach. Take me away, Calgon. That smells so good, you guys. That smells like, yeah, like the beach, like someone sexy in a Speedo is just hanging out with me on vacation and I'm sipping on a Mai Tai. That's this. But this smells so good. It really smells like the beach, like seawater, and oh my gosh, I'm really bad at explaining scents, but I think I'm going to enjoy this. I love hand creams. You know how when you can rate your products online at IPSY? If you don't know, they have an app that you can get for free and you can download, and you are able to see your products once they pick them out for you, or you can choose to not spoil it for yourself. I love the spoilers. So you can, after you get the box, you can rate them, and then they'll continue to send you things that you like or discontinue to send you things that you don't like. So I have put that I really like hand creams, and they have sent me a couple that I have absolutely loved. I really want a big one once I use it. And I was rubbing this on my hand, and my hand feels super soft, so yay for that. So that about wraps it up, guys. I will go ahead and leave you with that. Don't forget to check out my Boxycharm video if you feel the urge, and if you feel the urge to subscribe, that would be awesome too. Thank you in advance. And I hope you are having an amazing day. Don't forget to be kind and stay awesome. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!